Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI-powered code assistant platform, which is Firebase Studio and Cursor AI. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Firebase Studio is an AI-powered full-stack development platform that lets you go from prompt or designs to deployed web or mobile app quickly. It integrates back-end service like authentication, databases, and hosting with Gemini agent handling, scaffolding, and app logic suggestion. That makes it ideal for developers who want an end-to-end solution without stitching together multiple tools. Cursor AI, on the other hand, is an AI augmented code editor focused on productivity within existing projects. It offers smart autocomplete and multi-file refactoring and context-aware AI suggestion, which make it perfect for developers working on large code bases who want to make speed up coding and debugging. So, in conclusion, Firebase Studio wins for full-stack app creation and deployment, while Cursor AI is better for optimizing and enhancing ongoing coding work. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.